Hey, have you ever wondered if you can build a profitable online business in just 30 days? Well, my name is Michael De La Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can launch your online empire in only 30 days. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Building a successful online business is a dream shared by millions of people around the world. But for many, it remains just that, a dream. Why? Because they think it's too hard, too complicated, or simply too time-consuming. But what if I told you that it's possible to launch a profitable online empire in just 30 days? In today's digital age, the opportunities are endless, and the playing field has never been more level. Anyone with a computer and an internet connection can build a successful online business regardless of their background, skills, or experience. The key is to have the right strategies, the right mindset, and the willingness to take action. So, if you're ready to turn your ideas into reality and create a profitable online business that can generate income, freedom, and fulfillment, then keep watching, because in the next few minutes, I'll be sharing with you the exact steps you need to take to make it happen. Have you ever tried to start an online business only to get stuck, frustrated, or overwhelmed? You're not alone. Many people face common obstacles when trying to start an online business, such as the lack of knowledge, resources, or guidance. Maybe you tried to build a website but didn't know how to create engaging content or drive traffic to it. Maybe you tried to create a product but didn't know how to market it or sell it. Or maybe you felt like you're not tech savvy enough, or that you don't have the right skills or experience. Maybe you invested time and money into courses, training, or coaching, but still didn't see the results you wanted. Or maybe you simply felt like giving up because it all seemed too hard, too complicated, or too time-consuming. But here's the thing, these obstacles are not unique to you. Every successful online entrepreneur has faced them at some point or another. The difference is, they didn't let them hold them back. They found ways to overcome them, and you can too. One of the biggest obstacles people face is lack of knowledge. They don't know how to create a website or how to market a product. They don't know how to create engaging content or how to drive traffic to their site. But the truth is, knowledge is power, and with the right guidance, the right people, and support, anyone can acquire the skills and knowledge they need to succeed. Another common obstacle is lack of resources. People think they need a lot of money, equipment, or infrastructure to start an online business. But the truth is, you can start an online business with very little upfront cost. You can start small and grow as you go. Lack of guidance is another big obstacle. People don't know who to turn to or where to go for help and support. They feel like they're alone and that no one understands what they're going through. But the truth is, there are people who care and who want to help. And with the right mindset and with the willingness to take action, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals. So what's the solution? How can you overcome these obstacles and create a profitable online business in just 30 days? The answer is simple. By following a proven step-by-step system that shows you exactly what to do and how to do it. So here's the plan over the next 5 days. We'll be sharing with you a series of actionable steps and strategies that you can take to build your online business. We'll be breaking it down into daily tasks so you can focus on one thing at a time and make progress, not perfection. So on day 1, you're going to be learning. This is your introduction to digital marketing, and you understand the 4 core areas of digital marketing that gives you options for your business. On day 2, it's all about launching. So on this day, we're going to be focusing on what it takes to get launched. You'll be introduced to content creation and how to get started with faceless marketing tactics, etc. On day 3, it's your jam-packed full masterclass of how to lead with confidence as you create content and a personal brand. On day 4, it's all about entrepreneur mindset. So this is everyone's favorite day. You learn about entrepreneur dynamics. You have more understanding of the mindset and dynamics of what it takes to be a successful entrepreneur. Then on day 5, it's all about crafting your plan. So you're going to be walked through putting together a comprehensive business plan so you can continue to take focused, intentional action with your online business. By the end of these 5 days, you have a solid foundation for your online business. You have a website, a product, and a marketing strategy. You have a business that can generate income, freedom, and fulfillment. But here's the thing, It's not just about the strategy, it's about the mindset. It's about being committed, consistent, and persistent. It's about being willing to take action and to overcome any obstacles that come your way. I want to share with you a powerful success story that can motivate you to take action immediately toward launching your online business. A few years ago, I was struggling to make ends meet. I had a job that was unfulfilling and I felt like I was stuck in a rut. But then I discovered the power of online marketing and everything changed. I started creating content, building a website, and marketing my products. And within a few months, I was able to add an additional income stream or cash flow and pursue my passions full time. The key was taking action. I didn't wait for the perfect plan or the perfect product. I started small and grew as I went. And you can do the same. You can start small and grow as you go. You can take immediate action and start building your online business today. So what's the takeaway? What's the main thing you need to remember? It's this: building a profitable online business takes time, effort, and commitment. It takes the willingness to take action and to overcome any obstacles that come your way. But the rewards are so worth it. The freedom, the fulfillment, the income, it's all worth it. So let's recap the main steps outlined in this video. We talked about the importance of understanding the 4 core areas of digital marketing that give you options for your business. We talked about content creation, marketing, and promotion, how to lead with confidence as you create content and a personal brand. And we talked about the mindset and the importance of commitment and consistency. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your business idea? What's the one thing you're going to take action on today? Share with me in the comments below, and don't forget to watch my next video on advanced online marketing strategies or simply making money online. My top recommendation for starting and launching your profitable online business this month, check out the link in the description. Other than that, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.